As you can see, my GoPro Hero 7 Black on my hand. As you can see, my GoPro Hero 7 camera lens broken. I had a motorcycle accident, but hopefully it's work well, but lens broken little bit. So I prefer to change this lens. So before changing lens, I try to open for very first time. So here how I am opening, I'll show you. So just grab that and pull out like that lightly and twisting here. Okay, and yeah, it's open. As you can see, here is for locking two latch here with locking with this metal part two side. So pretty simply open that, so you can easily change your lens. So I'm attached again just like that and like that, then twist and okay, it's attached. As you can see, very simple step. So I hope you can easily detach your camera lens. So see you next.